Welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can check your password if you don't know of your password. So in this video I'm going to show you some steps you have to follow it to see your password if you forget it. First of all, you have to go to your settings just like that. You just have to go to settings and just scroll down and just go to the Google services and just wait for a second and just select Gmail in which your Instagram is login. So my Instagram login in my that account, so I'm gonna go to that account and just manage your account and just scroll down and just again go back and just go to that bar and just go to that security and just wait for a second and just scroll down and just go to the password manager. So I'm just scroll down and just go to the password manager just like that. Just tap on it and just find my Instagram. As you see, it's showing, and just use the passcode of your mobile. As you see that it's showing my passwords of my Gmail account. Oh, sorry for that, is my Instagram account login. So I'm gonna check, see the I button, and just I'm gonna see the password of my Instagram. So that's the video. Make sure you like a video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.